Hello there, everybody. Today, I found out that some people want to make a triangle inside of Anim8or, and so I'm gonna make it. So, to make a triangle, you need a flat surface. So, in the Shapes tab, click on the next to the sphere is a Add Cube. And then try to make the cube as thin as possible. Yeah, almost like that. Yeah, I made this model like with builds. I made a build cipher model with Anim8or and I used this technique. Go to builds with the cube selected and convert it to mesh. From the top view, if you want a thin 2D triangle, then just make it very thin like that. And thin at the size. We don't want them to be seen. Now up here, go into edit mode. Select the top surface. Go back to the normal front view. And then at here, there are some options. There's a peak face. Select that and then drag it up to make a triangle. This is how you make a two-dimensional triangle. Yeah, it's really thin. I use triangles a lot when I used Anim8or. Now I use Blender. This is how you make a triangle. If you want to make a cursor with a triangle, for example, you want to make it to be, I don't know, circled, you need to add a cylinder. Add a cylinder. Make it very thin. From the top view, then convert it to mesh. And just make it a little bit smaller. If you want it to be rounded, then convert to subdivide. First convert to mesh and then subdivide, or else if you do subdivide then mesh, then there will be a lot of edit points at here. There will be a lot of polygons, to mostly say. And just select the top here, top face, and as again, select peak face, drag it up. It does look a bit weird, but this is the best I can do. So this is how you make triangles. And this could be really good for cursors. So this is how you make triangle. For a tip note, if you want to make a actual cursor, don't add another cylinder under it. Just select it from the bottom. Select down face. Use the insert it down to be small, and then from here extrude it. Yeah, it does look weird because I subdivided it. It looks weird. So there you have it. This is how to make a triangle and a bonus cursor. So I hope you all enjoyed this tutorial video. Then bye.